takes me 22 hours to figure out how can I use any AI model with one API keys, and I just find out the way how can you use it when we can just use any model in our make.com scenario, anything scenario. And if you want the same practice to use any model in your make.com and anything without going to this tedious, going to authenticate every and just getting KPI keys of different models, but only having getting one API keys and have a seamless transition with any APIs of any AI models. You can just process this video and then you learn how to handle it. So today we're talking about this open router thing that we have. This is a great service we provided that we can use it. Have listed 300 models, AI models that can we use. You can see that in the model tab we have 300. You can see the whole thing. There's a 300 of models you can use from this single API of this open router, and it has very clean interface. You can see that the interface that we have open router, we have the today's this week we have also a ranking system which is working best. And when you go in this browse icon, you can find out your AI model in different categories. You can just select your parameter to which model you need. You need text to text, or you need text to image to text, whatever you want to need. You also choose model according to your context length. You have a higher context name, so you use the model that you use higher context name. Also, you can choose from your prompt pricing how much you want to cost the model. You can choose again with that parameter also. There are a series of problem you can choose with which one want to use. GPT, Claude, Grok. You can use series. You can also use a category wise. There's role play, programming, marketing. You can just choose. You can just find out the little resource. Okay, I just use this. You can just find the best model for your own use case. Also, there is also supported parameter that sometimes we have a agent that we need to the tool support, so we can just figure out, okay, I use everything category, but also this also support the tool. We also use that parameter also, and then different providers also. We can just see select in that category also. Now, the best feature I like is that we can just use this chat and we just figure out this. We can just go use this whole add a module here and just figure out which give the best result. With the 300 AI model, we can just combine the whole and see the who is giving the best result. Just see that I am using this thing. Just tell me about AI. Okay, this three AI model did their own answer. I can just figure out okay which is the base, and after the answer we recur in seeing the answer, we can just choose which one is the best for our project. And it's a very easiest way to just figure out which model should ideally I should in my project. You can see that it's run, and you can just expand it like this, and you can see okay this is the this given by Google Gemini 2, this given by R1, DeepSeek, the hyping model right now. Okay, let's go in this, and this giving the Queen, latest Alibaba models. Okay. You can just then based on the do you want this categorizes Google Gemini is pretty well. I like this response. We have more about text. It's unreadable right now, and going to have very little response. So you can just figure out by you. What you have to do, just click here and just choose whatever you want to use. Just you want O3 mini, you also need what we need. Also, this Mistral, you can just any model you need. And also, for main feature is that you can just change the parameter. You can just go sample parameter, you can change the frequency, temperature to see how it model looks, feel after changing the sound. That response, you can check the response right after changing the parameter also. Now, this is the interface where we can just stay and just find out which is the model we use. And after we found out that, okay, this is the model we need. So how can I connect with make.com and anything? So the easiest way we can connect open out in make.com and anything. We have just go here, just anything, and just click yeah, trigger mode for right now, and just say open router. Just click open router. Just click and just select this. And after clicking, just go to credential your fuel and just click here. And you also only have to pay API keys. And where do you get your API keys? Just go here in your file and just go here and just go to your keys, create a keys, name a keys, create this and put in here. Simple. Okay, just when okay, just name is Okay, all in all in one API, all in one API, and just we created it. We can also put the limit also, and just copy and just close it, and you just have to go here and just paste on it. And after pasting, you just saved and use credentials. You automatically connect yours. Just very straightforward. You can use, and you can use any way you can. And after that connected, you just click here and you can choose any model you need. Okay, you want to use open a O3 model. Okay, you need perplexity. You need okay Mistral, Queen. You can select any model with a single click. Just change this model and you just change the whole. Just have to just click here and just change the model. It is seamless to you. Right? As a developer, if you're entering just how convenient to just see that okay which model is producing high quality result for our project and very easy to do that. Now, so we can also connect in mail.com very easily. Just go here and it have also natively model. Just go open router and just create a chat completion. We just add credential. Just see and just again we have to just copy paste our credential, paste here, and it automatically connect. And after connecting, we just add just see the all the module. Just all the module we needed this perplexity. See, we have 300 module we need. You have every model that needed. You can choose, change it, again it goes. I mean, it makes so convenient to me just changing the model and see the, okay, this is okay. I use a perplexity for research. Okay, just I change this model and just perplexity. Okay, I want to use reasoning. I use O1 model. Okay, I write something for code. I can use anthropic. It was so hard. And before that, you have to just go every model and just connect everything, get API keys, then connect and set a model. Now I can just select one and just click the model which I want to use. It's so simple. And one thing I just like is that most about this that there are very free models also that we have available. That if you just go here, that we also have free models. Means that you have to pay nothing. Means that they're totally free in your work for that. You can test with Google Gemini, Flash, NVIDIA, you can R1, they're free model. You can also use a free model in your work for testing purposes. You can just use that in. They also have a great use of someone inputting their building their agent and they have not API keys right now, but they have want to build this so they can whatever reason so they can use free model also to build a agent and work for they needed. And it can also create view to see free model just testing down and just reduce our cost of the tokens cost for little while. You can also use that for it. And and, and very easiest convenient and there is some limitation we have to talk about that when using the free version. So we have something called rate limit. Just that it only have 20 credit, 20 licenses. Okay, it's have 20 per minute and 200 per day. And it's pretty decent if I'm using for building a project. And it's pretty decent for it. I mean, 20 and 200 per day is pretty decent also. And there are some model that you need have to authenticate with. There is no native open router. So where you go, you just go authentication. Just go here and just see the QRL and just you can use this. You can just connect anything that. And the only thing you have to do is just change this variable whenever. Just you have to instead of just changing the store button, you have to just type the name physically. Just take this name here, what is the name is, and just copy the name and just put it there, and you can use it. Simple, very nothing. Now we just use it. We did. Now this will just make a simple request for the chart. How it is our response? Okay, just is it working or not? Okay, just say okay, yes, working. Let's have a chart. Okay, have a quick conversation. We just use which model we are using right now. Okay, right. I use Google Gemini, 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 Gemini. We just use Gemini right now and just ask them. Okay, tell about let's say Grok 3. There's a hyping model I can also Grok 3. Let's see what happened. Okay, this we can read undefined message basically with the proper what happened. This is chat, this yeah. Always notice this you can read the property of undefined text. undefined text. Okay, I have to just change little bit here. Okay, there's find. It's about text. So there is also fine. Yeah, I think I should change the mode a little bit. I will just change this code this and now okay, tell tell about graph 3. Not do it well. Sometimes it break. There's always a possibility having this using this model. So now just we get a graph, everything we needed, just context of graph 1 and graph 1 try. We also have the information about the real time, the largest context window, we have multi capability. So we get everything as LLM model use. The simple is that it is just a very convenient way we can use as AI automation developer, just use any model in our project because we have just to go here and just change the frequency and it. Just like you can use make.com also, just go here and just select the model you have needed and just click here. You have a system prompt, etc. You can use it. That's like very easy and convenient. Now, let's about related to prices. The price is very credit based, so there is no fear about that. They charge monthly. So one thing is that they charge on the credit base, means that how much your token you use, you charge according to that basis. And they only add a little bit of markup, and also some of them also not add markup because they have taking a bulk order from OpenAI in this bunch, so have their discount. So this is offering a very mid level. So you have not fear about little bit of cost. It is have uh, very decent. Yeah. But one thing we have to talk about is that there is a some limitation we have. So there we can also only set scale up with 500 requests per second. Well, decent for building any automation, but if you are building for big, gigantic, so it is not possible. And when you're building a custom project, you have to just use your default thing. There is not required for this. And one thing I just talk about this, it has a little bit of latency, about something milliseconds, depending on the models, because it going taking a request, going to and then going to asking the router. So there is a latency always. And one thing is that also it also add little bit of cost if you just very big if you want it cost. It also add a now. It's all about today. Not just go check it out, open out that AI, just use the full functionality, check it with your model is shooting her project, understand. Have a good day. Bye.